Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can initiate the focus mode in your account on TickTick. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to your calendar here on TickTick. Select the given task from the task list here, for example for today. Let me go with this example here, this task, right click into it. Hover your mouse over start focus and then choose one of these: estimation, start stopwatch, or Pomodoro. I will go with Pomodoro, and that's going to start the focus mode. Now you can stop that by right clicking into it again, and then guys, for example, you will see these other options here, like I don't know, we can go with an estimated Pomo and go with one, I don't know, for example, and you will see the focus here in the top right. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.